love, yeah. Gotta live that love. You know what I'm talking about? Come on.